All right, let's get started. All right, so I think we will get started. Okay, so um, all right, let's get started. So, one second. All right, so okay, let's actually get started now. So, um, compared to the last stream, I did make one change, and that is the keycaps. So I mentioned this in the video if you went ahead and watched that, but in case you didn't, it is completely fine. You can, what I went ahead and did, right, was I originally had this keycap from last time. And I, so this is not mine. This is from, I think, Andrew620, I think is his name. It's in the description, but basically, that's the original keycap. I went ahead and I saved just the stem from it, and then I went ahead and started making a basic keycap. And the reason why it looks like this in like such a weird like little stair step kind of manner is because what I wanted to do is this is like a test keycap, all right? So this tests a couple of things. So one thing this will test is simply just the um keycap itself, right? So it'll test if the stem will work on the keycaps because I happen to have on the key switches because I happen to have Kale box white switches, and those have the same dustproof stem as the ACO Cream Yellow V3 Pros that I'm going to be using in this build. So they should if they don't work on that, they have to change the stem, right? And they also have some non-dust proof stem, switches. So I can test them both to test general compatibility. That's one thing I want to test, right? The tolerances and make sure it actually is, correct. The second thing I want to test is the wall thickness. I want to make sure that the wall is at the proper thickness, right? So the wall is gonna be this part, um, like this part, like how thick this part is, okay? And I want to make sure that's not too thin because the thickness can change the sound, the feel, all right? If it's too thin, it might break over time, so I want to make sure it's proper, all right? And then the reason I have this little stair step design is simply kind of test how, like, what the resolution of the three other printer will look like, the 3D printer. So that way I can know how small I can make text and little icons or whatever, right? And I can kind of like understand that and work around that. And yeah. And I also, what I went ahead and did is, if you notice, right, these, right? All right. So yeah, these corners are rounded, these corners are rounded, okay, and these corners are rounded. And so I was watching a video by Slant 3D, all right, and oh, well, what? Okay, so what I was doing was I was watching a video by Slant 3D, and apparently to optimize the 3D printer's tool paths, right, instead of having sharp corners like this one that I should probably fix right now, um, you should have rounded corners, and what that does is it helps the robot, not the robot, the 3D printer, which is I guess a type of robot, to follow that path, right? It can do those smooth motions easily, right? But if you got a sudden stop and then go like that, right? It can look a little messy sometimes, so it is recommended to do something like that. Um, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that real quick. Round that out as well. Is that? Oh, that's not tilted. Thank goodness. Because if that was tilted, that would be pretty bad. So, alright, that looks pretty decent. Alright, and then let's go back into this mode. I needed to. Oh boy. Okay, I guess that's not happening. So I guess if you do that, that's what happens. Let's keep it within that range. Oh, and then once you have, if you can kind of go underneath, some weird geometry. Let's see how that works out. Okay, yeah, I can't really go much farther than that. Um, okay. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go add let's see, for a cone could actually be useful, I'm gonna be honest. Alright, you see that, it's relative height. Oh, nope. And then I think it's 18 or not, okay. Oh, okay. Let's just do that real quick. And then alright, so this will be like, I think this will be a pretty decent test of how the printer can print. Okay. This will kind of just let me see. what the errors possibly could be, in case there are any. Alright, so let's go ahead and explain how this whole thing works. Okay, so took a basic keycap that should work. Extracted the parts. Right now I have this. Alright. We have the optimized toolpaths now. Alright. This one also has some optimized toolpaths right here. Wait, no, it's on the z-axis. So yeah, no, not that optimized. But the stem is optimized that way. So, and then we have all these little like steps to see the resolution, right? It should do this gap easily, this gap easily. This gap, I'm not too sure about. Okay. So this gap I'm not too sure about. And then this cone will basically kind of tell us, right, how good are circular objects, right? And then how good do they stay, right? Like basically if it's circular objects this small, right, which is a reasonable size, then as you go up the layers, the circular will get smaller, right? And circles are like I guess harder to print. So circles, well not harder because the round shape is more optimized, but I feel like circles are a good test, right? And so the higher it goes, we can see how small we can get until it becomes a problem. All right, second. All right. So, all right. So the keycap is, I think this is a decent keycap. So right now, I'm a little lazy and I really don't wanna work on the actual case because I feel like that's gonna take some more work, and I haven't had the time to design the case yet. Um, I remember there was a viewer last time, right, talking about what like telling me about like the different types of cases, and I feel like those were some pretty good tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that kind of case that he showed me, right? And yeah, so right now what I guess I'll do, okay, let's get into material preview. Is just make this look nice because eventually, at some point, I will have to render this for the GitHub page. So now I'm kind of thinking, might as well do it right now. Actually, let's just double check something real quick. Um, whatever. Uh, let's see if I actually got the stem out properly. All right. Now, does that actually fit into the? Oh boy. Oh, I have to line it first. Let's see. Okay. This thing looks nice, I guess. And the shape also looks okay. All right. So yeah, I feel like okay. This is good. This is good. So I guess I'll start with this keycap and then I'll copy out to every other one. Okay, so this yellow thing. Okay, that was a pretty good yellow. Okay, now let's get a picture of the key switches. Oh, great. There we go. Oops. All right. So I'm not gonna add the dust boost diamond because I don't want to actually make a switch. Okay, so the entire body, that top part of the body is gonna be clear plastic. Let's just keep it up here. Or even a better idea. Screenshot real quick. Now we can also get some colors and stuff like that. Can I paste into Blender? Is that a thing? Okay, whatever. I can just have it on my second screen. Alright. So let's see. I feel like I got the. Did I put too much color or something like that? Zoom in on that real quick. Yeah, I feel like it's a little less saturated. It should be at least. Saturation should go. Okay, it is yellow, but like it's more of a cream yellow kind of thing. Ah, I see, I see it. Okay. Okay. That's all right. So the plate and everything like that's gonna be yellow as well. All right, yeah. All right, so let's get this same color from here. All right. You make me transparent again. Shoot with IOR? No, because that's like the reflections. Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, no, that's definitely not it. Okay. Why don't I remember this? Is it alpha? Okay, it's alpha, yeah. Okay. It looks. Oh, no, it's fully transparent. It's just the reflections inside. So the hue and value. Okay. Okay. think it is a shiny as well. There shall be some roughness. It looks so fake. Oh god. Okay, it's fully transparent, but like there's more. All right. Oh, I see. I see. Boy. To look a little better. Okay, so that's a little bit better. Cause that matches the. All right. Yeah. Could I just put the reflection into max or something? Or... Oh, that actually does help a lot. Okay. Let's see. So let's get rid of the cloudiness of it, I guess. All right. Uh, oh. Okay, so the reason it doesn't look nearly as good as the actual picture is it's literally like the model isn't fully accurate because again I didn't get this model. I forgot where I got this Switch model from, and unfortunately I didn't save the link for this one. But yeah, no, I see. Okay, this is a comparatively low detail model, which is why I can't really get to look exactly as I want it to. So, alright, whatever, it's fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and select these. Alright, I can probably use this for other. Okay, so roughness should go way down. ILR. Oh, well, I know why it's not actually. There you go. In fact, they still have some roughness, these pins. Alright. Yeah, there's much light here. Okay. Okay, let's make a light box. Or actually, I'm kind of lazy for this right now. Okay, that's gonna go. Hear me out. Okay. So if you do this, could that work? Okay, be in the box. Oh, that works. Alright, so now I have a whole light box. Nice and easy. This is perfectly even lighting from every single side, each dimension. Alright, this looks like a keycap. Key switch right here. I'm messing up the two. Ah. I feel like that is good enough to pass off as a pin. Alright. Oh boy, okay. There you go. Alright, so okay. Time to actually put this between each one. Okay. Watch. Oh. Okay, 20 millimeters. All right. Okay, 24. 24. All right. That's 19. Oh. Oh. Wait a second. Shoot, I actually messed up the facing. Oh. Now I'll fix by hand. Yes. Whatever. Oh my. Trying to see if my. Nope. It's great. Okay, time to manually align each and every single switch. All right. Okay, that should be a bit more even that way, I guess. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, let's see what the problem is. My camera not working? No. Ah. Oh my god. My phone shut off. Oh god. Okay. So my phone just shut off, and that's great. It just died. Alright, what's going on here? Um, it's hot. I have to find a new system for my cameras. Keep on dying. Alright. Um, okay, let's just switch over to. Or not. I can probably just do this right now. Oh, it's heat. Alright, so I guess this might just happen sometimes. Hold up, let's try taking the case off. That could help with the heat a little bit. It is a rubber case. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Perfect. All right. Well, oh, it's wireless. That's great. Okay, let's just drop down the resolution, I guess. Why is it not landscape? Oh, shoot. There you go. This is landscape. Alright, you should now be able to see. Alright. Um, okay, yeah. Alright, I guess no one's viewing right now, so. Alright, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna eat some dinner and I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I was thinking I should probably stop procrastinating on these switches. Because even the, actually, wait, no, let me just actually finish these real quick. Actually, these are actually all pretty off. Okay, how far off is that? Where even is the oh my god. Oh no, that is correct. That was just, wait, what? I'm extremely confused right now. Okay, that part is supposed to go up. Oh, yeah, okay, no, that is correct. Okay, it's also, yeah, good enough. Okay. Alright, yeah. Guess now I'm gonna stop stalling. Alright. And I'll actually work on something that matters. Okay. So what I'm gonna do. Alright. Make a new cube. Okay. So it will be, because we'll have these dimensions. So like, what was that? 56. Shoot. Okay. Hold up. What's gonna move here? 37.2. Then 76.2. Minus. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, can I join them? Okay. Oh boy. Oh. Okay, set origin to geometry, and then what the? Oh, I see. That's the active order. Okay. I mean, active object. Alright, whatever. Um, I was kind of line it up, I guess, in the eyes. Okay, let's make it. Let's add some 1mm tolerance on each side, so 59. That's 2 millimeters total. Oh, okay. Alright. This is gonna be pretty important that we don't mess this up. Because if we mess this up, yeah, the alignment and everything will be way off. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think this is pretty good. Okay, let's see how it looks solid. Alright. Nah. Okay, it looks about pretty even on all four sides. Alright. Okay. So I was watching a video by Joe Scotto, like I said before in the last time, right, where this guy makes some really great videos about how to make a macro pad, right? So, guys, let me extrude. Okay. That's not 5 millimeters at all. Yeah, that does not look too bad. Alright, yeah, that looks fine, if I'm gonna be honest. Alright. So what we can go ahead and do... Actually, no, let's do this first. Okay. Okay, so now it's a fully hollow object, which means I can go ahead. Is it? Oh, I'm at -1. Oh shoot. It's -1 millimeters. Is that about it? Alright. Oh wait, no, hold up. I see how I messed up. This is supposed to be at least 4 millimeters thick. And then, yeah, okay. So now we have an actual outline. Now we can go ahead and do is... Okay, extrude that out a little bit. Because I do kind of want a little bit of raised look to this thing. I think 2 millimeters. Oh, okay, you need at least 2 millimeters. Alright, so let's do. Okay, yeah. Okay. Alright, I guess it's time to manually extrude a bunch of extremely small parts. Can I like hide it? No. Because I actually have plans to not just have origin on the sides. I'm actually gonna carry cancel that idea. And I do actually want to add actual lighting by like actual lighting from the underneath the switches, so south facing like RGB using the LED strips, because I figured you can probably use them to do that. So seems like a good idea. I think at least. Guess we'll find out soon enough. Right. Oh, I'm too far on these. I see. All right. Phone fiber. All right. Let's get these extruded out. Okay. Okay, perfect. I'll pressure on this first. In hindsight. Okay, it's actually looking not half bad. Right. Okay, I think this is looking better. Alright, so this will be the top case. Alright, should I? Alright, but this will kind of hide the rest of the thing. If you look at it. Okay, so if you just do this, right? Oh, no. Right, so if you look at this, right, this doesn't look too good because, just a bunch of flat switches right there kind of laying on a 3 different plate, and that just doesn't look too good. So if you do this, right, it hides most of it, and I can also print the switch plate a bit more lazily, and I can make this look a little bit nicer, right? If I wanted to, I could probably add some design or something like that, right? So this is the top plate, but also I kind of want to. Okay, let me look on my keyboard real quick. All right, 1 second. All right, let's see. Oh, someone just joined? Oh, hi. Okay. So, if I look on my keyboard right now, I don't have a key. I don't have a switch. A cap holder. There you go. So, let's see how that look. Gonna correct itself. There you go. So, if you look here, everything is 100% hidden. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, oh yeah, because it's locked in, obviously. The tabs are gonna be locked in. Don't know how that'll work. Um, yeah, I'm trying to see. Okay. Okay, well, whatever. Let me just inspect it real quick. Oh, okay, okay, I see. I see the thing. Oh, okay, it's actually on top. Oh, is this literally just a switch? Yeah, that's just a switch plate. And then, oh, okay, so you kind of, here's the thing. So I made the switch plate, right? And then I also made this top plate right here. So what you want to do is you don't want to have the top plate just, covering it that closely. What you want to have is the top plate. These things just be just a little off. Oh, unless, okay, unless I design my keycaps in a certain way just so that this aesthetic works out. Oh my god, why is it so hard to see? Alright. Okay, let's see this real quick. Alright, I see the line. Okay, that's perfectly lined up. Let's see if it looks correct-ish. Why, that's perfect. Okay, so that is correct. And then if I design it so that, oh yeah, what I can do, all right, is I can design it so, the wrong way. Let me just put the camera here. Let's see how that looks. Mm, You can look on the laptop on the side. Let's see how the laptop camera looks like this. Okay, that's not working out. Like this. No, this. Alright. Okay, so what was I saying? Alright, well, I kind of want to draw this out. So let me try to find somebody to draw this out. Okay. That's capsule constantly on. Okay, whatever. Let's open MS Paint. Okay. So basically, right, we have our switch with a stem, okay? And then our keycap is kind of like around the switch. Okay, with this kind of thickness like this. Okay. And it's just perfectly rested on that. Okay. So normally, right, when it goes down, right, it go to a point where, well, it could very easily. Let me just turn my keyboard off actually. I want to double check this. Yeah, it does. So it goes, as far as it can down here, right? So it pushes all the way down, right? Down to where the switch plate is. But now here's the thing. What I went ahead and did is I literally covered. Oh boy, wait, what did I just see here? I can't unsee that. I have to know if it's actually glitched out. Oh boy. Shoot. Hold on, let's fix this real quick. Well, that might explain why I was a little confused this entire time. Maybe. I'm not sure though. I could still just be really bad at this. I don't know. So I aligned these walls to the wrong part. And that's why it looks like this. But it's very much not supposed to look like that. Okay. Oh, there's so many errors in this. How is it like physically possible? What? Okay, where am I now? Right. I am so very lost. Okay, I see where I am. Okay, just manually inspect everything. Okay, these are really close for some reason. Okay, these are all good now. The topology got messed up on this one somehow. What happened here? Oh, still kind of wonky. Is this elevated somehow? How did it get elevated? No, it's not elevated. Alright, I don't already know what's going on anymore. Okay, but let me just get my words out. Basically, what I could do, right, is because this would go down and just stop right here. Which, okay, hold up. I set now and then. I don't know, there's a way to, how do you do that? Whatever. Okay, so if I, this is 14.754, and if I go down 10.95. So it's like a 3.8 millimeter travel. Maybe something around that, yeah. So the max I could ever have is a 3.8 millimeter travel distance, which I personally don't want to happen. So what I could do instead, all right, hold on. Let's do on one of these actually, yeah. I'll go ahead and just bring this over here. Okay. Okay, I am liking this key spaking a lot. It's very, very close together, which weirdly enough I personally like, so yeah. I know some people don't like that, but I personally like this a lot. Okay. So now this might look, ooh, yeah, that's not gonna look too good. Okay, cause I was thinking, right, of doing something like this, like a really flat key, but then that would not look too good. Let's see how that looks. Oh god. See, that looks kind of cool, but also kind of bad. Uh, yeah, that does not look great. Okay, like the stem. If I could somehow figure out how to get a stem to look half decent, then that will be fine. Okay. Um, well, I'll probably just post a poll on this, right? Which side's better? Cause, wait a second. Wait, how how do you push the key down if mm, mm, mm. Okay. Oh boy, how does that work? All right. This pops open again. Okay. So, if you want to know, it's kind of what the keycap looks like. All right. So this is pretty similar to what I have right now, and this fits on a Kale box white switch. So that's great. But okay. So it goes flush in. I don't know why. Oh, I guess that's on the model, because in this model, it does not look like it can go in whatsoever. Um, oh, turn on. Okay. Yeah, but it does not look like it can go in, but I guess it can. If I look at it rendered, just transparent, thank goodness. I think. Oh, I think this box represents, how deep it can go in. Yeah, I think this is more of a representation switch, not an actual switch that is meant for what I'm doing right now. But also could be for what I'm doing right now. I don't know how to explain this. Alright. Okay, you know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream right here. Because I mean there's no one online. Hasn't been anyone online for a while. So and that's one reason. And also okay, unlike last time where I did know what I wanted to do specifically, right? This time I don't really know exactly what to do. So what I'll go ahead and do at this time is I'll go ahead and make the video version of this, the short version of this, so that you guys can just quickly understand what I did. Should not be too long of a recap. And yeah, I kind of want to do some more learning because I feel like, because I guess the entire point of this series is for me to learn, obviously, but I feel like I was gonna have to do the thing before I learn it, right? Like a little bit, like so I know what to learn. And now after doing some stuff for like I guess it's been an hour. Yeah. Yeah, an hour and a half. How long? Yeah, hour and a half. So now that's been an hour and a half. What we can go ahead and do is, yeah, I'll just go ahead and stop it right here. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and do all those things. I'll also post a poll on which one's better, because I legitimately don't know, and I kind of need to know before my next stream, which might be on Sunday. That's gonna be the 10th. Yeah. March 10th, 2024. So yeah. All right then.